Welcome. Today, we're diving into the MCA guidelines for cGMP requirements, guided by the expertise of Dr. S.K. Singh. We'll explore what these standards mean, why they matter, and how they shape quality and compliance in manufacturing. Let's get started. Quality assurance is all about making sure every step in creating a product meets strict standards. We're talking about designing and developing products that follow good manufacturing and laboratory practices. Clear procedures guide production and control, with defined managerial roles to keep things on track. From sourcing the right materials to monitoring every stage of production, nothing is left to chance. Products aren't sold until QA gives the green light. Plus, ongoing inspections and audits keep quality consistent throughout the product's shelf life. It's a comprehensive system to guarantee the quality we promise. Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is all about making sure products are made consistently and meet the right quality standards. To do this, manufacturing processes need to be clearly defined and regularly reviewed. Critical steps must be validated, so nothing is left to chance. The facility itself has to support GMP. That means trained staff, proper space, suitable equipment, and the right materials. On top of that, we need standard operating procedures, thorough training, detailed records, and strong systems for distribution and recalls. Complaints must be investigated and addressed properly. Together, these requirements keep quality on track every step of the way. Quality control is a crucial part of good manufacturing practice. It's all about making sure every step, from sampling to testing, is done right. We need proper facilities and clear procedures to inspect and monitor everything, including the environment. Test methods must be validated to guarantee accuracy. Every material and product is analyzed thoroughly. Records and raw data are carefully maintained, and nothing gets released until it meets all quality standards. Control samples help us keep everything consistent and reliable. Let's take a closer look at the people side of things. This slide highlights key personnel, the individuals who drive the work forward. It also points to training, which keeps skills sharp and knowledge current. Job descriptions matter too. They set clear expectations and responsibilities. And finally, personnel hygiene, not just about cleanliness, but about maintaining a healthy, safe workplace for everyone. Together, these elements build the foundation for a strong, effective team. Let's talk about the production area, a space designed to keep things clean and safe. It's a dedicated facility, laid out in a logical flow that matches the steps of the operation. Surfaces inside are smooth, easy to clean, and don't shed particles. Drains are well-sized and covered to prevent contamination. Ventilation is controlled, ensuring fresh air without risks. Separate zones handle weighing and dispensing, with measures to control dust and cross-contamination during sampling and packing. Overall, the environment minimizes contamination risks, with strict cleaning protocols, proper lighting, temperature, and restricted access to keep everything secure. Let's talk about the ancillary areas that support smooth operations. Rest and refreshment rooms need to be separate, a clear break from work zones. Facilities like changing rooms, toilets, and bathrooms must match the number of users to avoid bottlenecks. Maintenance workshops should be apart from production areas to keep things running safely. For quality control, labs must be separate too, with distinct sections for chemical, instrument, and biological analysis. Sensitive instruments need their own rooms, shielded from vibration, electrical interference, and humidity. Storage areas require enough space to keep materials organized by category. Clear zones for quarantine, released, rejected, and recalled items are essential. Receiving and dispatch bays must protect goods from weather. And highly active materials, along with printed packaging, need secure, safe storage. These details keep the whole system reliable and efficient. When it comes to equipment, everything needs to be designed and placed with its purpose in mind. Maintenance and repairs should never compromise product quality. Cleaning has to be straightforward and effective, guided by clear procedures. Installation must minimize contamination risks. Any part that touches the product can't react or absorb it. Measuring tools need regular calibration, with records kept. Pipelines should be clearly labeled, showing what's inside, flow direction, and color codes. Water lines require routine sanitation to keep microbes at bay. When it comes to documents, we need to handle them with care at every step, from design and preparation to review and distribution. They must meet the standards set by manufacturing and marketing guidelines. Every document should be approved, signed, and dated by the right people. Clarity is key. Titles, purpose, and content must be unambiguous. Changes, they have to be signed, dated, and explained when necessary. And timing matters. Records should be made as actions happen to keep product history clear and traceable. Let's talk about packaging and production operations, a critical part of ensuring product quality and safety. Every step, from checking incoming materials to labeling containers, needs careful attention. We quarantine materials until they're cleared for use and store everything under the right conditions. Cross-contamination is a no-go. Different products shouldn't be processed together unless it's completely safe. Clear status labels and proper connections for pipelines help keep things organized. And if anything goes off script, it must be reported and approved. This is how we meet good manufacturing practices and deliver quality products. Let's break down the key areas of quality control. First, sampling, how we collect samples, how many we need, the precautions we take, and the tools we use. Then testing, validating our methods, controlling processes, managing lab materials, and safely disposing of samples. Finally, documentation, keeping detailed records of specifications, procedures, reports, and validations. Together, these steps make sure every product meets the standards before it's released. Quality control is the backbone that keeps everything reliable and consistent. Here, we're looking at the key players in a contract manufacturing setup. First, there's the contract giver, the company that needs a product made. Then, the contract acceptor, the manufacturer who takes on the job. The contract itself outlines the specifics, what's being made, how, and under what terms. Finally, contract manufacturing involves not just production, but also thorough analysis to ensure quality and compliance. It's a partnership built on clear roles and responsibilities. When it comes to complaints, having a clear, written procedure is essential. We need to record any product defects and investigate thoroughly. If a defect shows up in one batch, we consider whether others might be affected too. Then, we take steps to prevent the same issues from happening again. For recalls, the process is just as structured. There's a written procedure in place, distribution records get updated, and actions are taken on the recalled products, whether that means reworking, reprocessing, or destroying them. Complaints and recalls go hand in hand, keeping quality front and center. When we talk about inspections, we're looking at several key areas: the premises, equipment, documentation, production, and quality control. These inspections need to be carried out by people who really know what they're doing, competent, trained individuals. It's not just about checking boxes. It's about observing carefully and making sure everything complies with the standards set. And importantly, self-inspection plays a crucial role. It's about taking ownership and continuously improving from within. This slide highlights the key areas of pharmaceutical quality systems, from risk management and premises to equipment, documentation, and validation. It covers production, quality control, and regulatory compliance too. We've included a video to help you see how these concepts work in real life. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts or experiences. And subscribe to stay updated on everything GMP, quality, and pharmaceutical manufacturing. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for joining us today. If you need any more support or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. Take care, and thanks again for being part of this conversation.